Subscribe to Dope
Perfect, 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 perfect. What up, Dope Death Gang? It's your boy Dope Death here with another video. Today, guys, we're gonna be doing some installation on my homie's little mini truck. He's got a little Toyota extended cab. We're gonna be doing a headlight transformation on this little Yoda. We're gonna be replacing these old lights with some new LED ones. Shiny. These should be really bright. And we also have to install it with a new wiring harness, because these aren't just plug and play like they look like. We have to use the harness to make the lights turn on or whatever. But I'll make sure I'll link down the harness and the lights in the description so you guys can check them out. The removal is pretty easy. 4 Phillip heads, 2 on the bottom, 2 on the top. You did not have to remove the whole grill. And then it's just this little bracket that holds the new one in. And so yeah, we're gonna connect the harness to this one and then wire everything to the battery. And then from the harness, the new headlight gets connected to that. Oh, there's zip ties.
Shit, no, hell no punch. Calm down.
Alright guys, so this harness comes with 2 relays and a fuse.
Assuming this one's for this side.
Yeah, so the long one's for the driver's side, and obviously the shorter one's gonna be for the passenger side. You want to mount these relays somewhere close to the firewall or something. And then you got your power, which is the red, and your negative, which is the black. That goes directly to the battery. Something like that. We'll figure this out together, guys, because this is our first time doing it.
Oh, it just plugs into one headlight socket. And then this will plug into
The new ones.
the new ones.
Oh,
So
sick.
this basically replaces your harness.
Okay, so you technically, so you don't have to connect it into that headlight socket then.
Nope.
Sweet. Okay.
So it'll be just
So this one to this one, and then these 2 to the new headlights. Sick. Okay. Well, that's pretty easy. Guys, this harness was only like 20 bucks. So it wasn't really that expensive. And you do need it because, like I said, you can't just plug and play with the headlights. Or unfortunately, the Toyota harness is different, and it just won't let the lights turn on at all. Okay guys, so as we said, the black one goes into your OEM socket, and then it's gonna replace your sockets to these for the new headlights for both sides. Now we're just trying to figure out how we're gonna run this harness to the other side without getting it pinched anywhere or getting it hot so it doesn't melt. And then we'll start figuring out where we're gonna put our grounds and our power. Obviously the power has to go straight to the battery. The ground, we can even do it straight to the battery as well, or we can do it to the frame. All right guys, so we pretty much ended up running this harness through the back where there's already an OEM harness running, and we just used the same clips just to hold the harness in, and it pretty much worked out because this harness ended up on the other side of the headlight. And then we got the 2 relays on this side with the other plug coming out right here. So pretty much ready to install. I think we're gonna do the plug in the harness first. Yeah, we'll plug in the harness first to the battery and ground and stuff, and then we'll do the headlights. All right, guys. So for the ground, we just use this OEM ground that's already here on this side, and then this side we're gonna do the same. We're gonna do this ground to this bolt right here. That way everything is kind of factory looking. We're gonna have to make no new holes. The good thing about these grounds too is you don't have to take the bolt all the way off. Just enough so you can slide it through. But wants to focus or not, there we go. See how it has the opening? You just slide it underneath the bolt. Good to go. Should be good right there. There we go. Alright, so now that we got both grounds in, now all we gotta do is the power. But the power we'll do last because I want to go straight to the battery. And then we're gonna self-tap these relays just so it's not moving around. Okay guys, that one's ready to go. Headlights next?
Yeah, I'll plug it in to make sure it works.
Well, we gotta do the power.
Power first.
Just unscrew this one and put it underneath.
Might do that. If not, I'll fucking unscrew this and shove it here. No, let's put it in here. See what we can do. But for now, we can just do it like this.
Yeah.
Test it out, see how it goes.
Moment of truth. Go turn it on. Oh, remember we gotta take off the plastic before we put the frame in. Okay, touch the power. Hey, it works. All right, go do your high beams. Sick. Hold up. Yep.
Yeah.
Take them off. On. Off. On. Yep. Sick.
Nice.
It worked. Don't you just love when shit just comes together?
Beautiful. Beautiful.
If you guys didn't know, this was actually our second time installing these guys. The first time, we didn't know we needed a harness, and we tried doing plug and play, and it wasn't turning on. But we figured it out. So I'm here for you guys, so I can show you guys what not to do. So you don't have to do this thing twice. So for sure that you guys have to get that harness. So yeah, we're just gonna put the battery, or the power to the battery. We're gonna put this headlight back in, and we gotta use the same brackets we took off, guys, to hold in the new light, just like that, on each side. And now give you guys a look of when it's done.